Hey guys, it's Garvin's Garage, and today we're going to be putting on 4th gen style chrome toe mirrors on this 2003 Dodge Ram Works for all 3rd gens. And let's get started. The materials needed to swap out your mirrors for toe mirrors is you'll need we have a couple screwdrivers here, but Phillips, but you might need the bigger or smaller, we're not sure. I think there's actually 2 different screw sizes, and then we have the sockets. We're not sure. I think it's metric, like 10 millimeter. I'm not positive though, so we got just a whole 3/8 ratchet set here. So let's get started on taking the door panel off. You first want to remove the door handle by using a T30 Torx bit and just reaching up in there and unscrewing it. And then once that's off, remove this screw with a Phillips head. Remove this one right under here, which is a Phillips head. This one on the opposite side with a Phillips head, and then this one right here with the Phillips head. And then your door panel should slide off. We got the door panel off by removing all the screws and then lifting up out of these hinges and then sliding out at the same time. And then once you have the door panel out of these hooks, you have to reach back and unhook these from the switch panel right here, these 2 connections. And then I just disconnected this from the mirror for like the heated toe mirrors and like the electronic adjustments. And then now we're just going to remove the 3 10 millimeter bolts holding on the mirror, and then it should just slide right off. Oh, and also you gotta release the small pin that the electrical connection is connected to. And then you can just slide it out. There's a pin on each side, so just you gotta work at it. Now you slide on the new mirror into the 3 little holes on the door, just like it came off. And then you just simply put in the bolts that came off. Now once you have these 3 bolts on, connect the plug going to the new toe mirrors, and then put on your door panel by first putting on these plugs and then putting all the screws on. Once you have your door panel on and your door handle on, repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. And that's how you install toe mirrors on your 2003 Dodge Ram 2500. Click here to subscribe and click here to watch our last video.